Welcome guys, today I'm with the Marshall Emberton wireless speaker and I'm going to show you how easy you can pair it with your MacBook. So at the first you have to remember to charge the speaker before the pairing at least to the 50%. Right here on the right side you will find the USB-C input, so we can plug here the cable, and in this place you will find battery indicator. The first step, power on the speaker by using this gold button. Click and hold it for the 2 seconds. Right now we can release, and then we have to move this speaker to the pairing mode. So we have to click and hold this Bluetooth button until this indicator starts blinking. Let's make it right now. Right now we can release, put back the speaker and simply open the Bluetooth settings on your MacBook. So enable with the switcher, go for the Bluetooth preferences, and take a look on available devices. As you can see, after a few seconds this Emberton speaker pops on the list, so we have to connect. Click with the left mouse button, and after a few seconds we are successfully connected. I can recommend you to go for the main settings, go for the sound, and just be sure that this PC automatically switch from MacBook Pro speakers to the external Emberton right here. And yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.